bunnies.
Hi, babies.
Today we are recreating the look that Christina Aguilera stunned us with in the Dirrty music video.
Christina Aguilera. Dirrty.
Wait, why are we doing this? Because it's a real life before and after.
Oh, totally.
Yeah.
Okay. She's not awake yet. It's okay.
No.
I took a nap.
It's okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Cute. Did you always use that with us? Is that new-ish? Have you
Newish.
done this?
Yeah. I've been using it lately.
We got two styles of this super sexy outfit that she wore in the music video. And she wore the yellow one when she performed a lot in concerts. So it's super cool that Dolls Kill gives both of these options. The link for both of these outfits are below. So if you want to check it out, it's legit. That is so funny.
Xtina Dirty.
Something super iconic about this makeup is her thin eyebrow and smoky eye. Later in the video, you'll see that we will spray our hair blonde along with the super long ponytail, which we love. And we'll link that ponytail below too. And we'll also link our tan lotion that we use because she's super tan in the video, so we want to make sure we got as close to her look as possible. Our makeup artist today is Jessica. She's absolutely amazing and we love working with her. The link to her socials are below, so definitely check her out, give her a follow, and support her work. Our Christina brows from Dirrty. Oh my God.
Super Christina brows. And lately I've been underpainting a lot on my clients and it just saves me so much time and product. I'm able to contour and highlight without using so much product. Once it's all blended out, as you'll see, leaves quite a seamless finish.
Jessica teaching the kids.
Just the kids being taught. Indeed.
You like it?
I love it.
Yeah. It's great. Stay behind me.
One more time. Okay. I heard you.
You heard done, gonna shake
it.
the room.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you guys had the
be
timing was
Christina.
perfect. Timing was
Yeah.
perfect. Okay. Beautiful.
Yeah? Okay.
I love you.
I can't stop singing Dirty now. Dirty's stuck in my head. Now, like, I can't stop singing Dirty.
Look at you with no eyebrows, princess. It's so funny. I look great.
There's a character that you look right now.
Like a cartoon character, I'll take it.
Because you only have black. There's nothing else. Like
On my eyes, really? That's what I look like. I only have black. I want to see what it. All right, whatever. Oh God. Okay. I look great.
Okay.
Eyes closed. 1, 2, 3. All right, cool.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Just go in with some good old one side.
Peace out, Jessica. Thank you. We love you. Hair time, baby. Let's do it. What? Nothing. Just waiting. Okay. You sure? Yeah. Okay.
Blondies.
Boop, boop, boop.
Ooh, the blonde. And my hands too.
Oh my god, look at my nail.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. That's so funny.
Yeah,
Actually looks really good. Okay.
now we're both blonde.
Yeah, we are.
I have to fix that though.
Yeah,
This
just
was
white
it.
spray before makeup. But
Yeah.
we had to fix this part of my face anyway.
It's okay, come on, turn,
fine.
turn. Yeah. Yeah, right there.
We had to fix my makeup too anyway, so it's fine.
Okay. Yay!
Super.
Party.
Okay. This donut's too small. Yeah.
Okay.
This one's better. Bigger one.
I don't think. Okay.
No. Toast. Big one. Big one. Back. Okay, comb. Go over. I need your finger holding this right here. Thank you. Have to make sure the net is all the way around. Yeah, usually the net's on the bottom. This one's on the side. I would totally remember that the first time we wore it. Yeah, I do too.
Yeah, now that you're saying that, I remember that from the first time you wore it.
I do too. All the bobby pins to keep that pony in for sure. Done. Yeah. About starting.
Come on. All right, great. Yay, we're blonde princesses. Amazing.
Love it. Final look, we're so excited. Below is the link to each outfit, this pony and our tan lotion, so you could recreate this look on your own too.
We love you, bunnies. Comment below if you have any questions, and we'll see you later.